My name is Whitney Cohen from LifeLab's Garden Classroom, and I'm going to share with you today one of our favorite activities from the Growing Classroom Activity Guide. This activity is called 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. The idea of this activity is basically to help kids slow down and take in the beauties of the garden using their senses. So we give each team of about 3 or 4 students an egg carton, and on the bottom of the egg carton are written 2 opposite words, like shiny and dull, or rough and smooth, or young and old. Those teams take their egg cartons out around the garden and they collect objects that fit that description. So for example, 6 shiny objects here and 6 dull objects here. But here's the trick. They're keeping their words a secret from all of the other teams. And then the teams come back together and they look at each other's egg cartons and they try to guess, look for patterns and guess what the words are on the bottom of each egg carton. This activity works with younger students and also with older students. For younger students, you can use the activity to reinforce vocabulary that the kids are working on and to help them practice classifying objects by observable properties. With older students, as they start to look for patterns, they're actually analyzing and interpreting data, and they're making inferences based on their observations. Older students can also use masking tape to put on the bottom of the egg cartons, and then they can add their own words to reinforce things they're working on in science or English language arts class, such as biotic and abiotic, or math, symmetrical and asymmetrical. They could also take these items inside and then write compare-contrast essays or paragraphs based on what they found. This activity is basically a great way to engage kids in science and language arts and math out in the garden, and also to help them just slow down and observe the beauty that's around them.